In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Am I foolish or am I a wise person? This is something to be pondered upon. Who is foolish and who is wise? Out of the people I am interacting with, out of the people who are close to me, who is wise and who is foolish? What is your opinion about foolishness? Today we are going to talk about one one common important reason why people do become foolish. Why do they act foolishly? There are several things. We are going to talk about one of those, although the one we are going to talk about is very common. Not only it is common, rather it is very simple to overcome, very simple to understand and very simple to overcome. That is why I think that I decided to speak on the subject. There are other reasons as well. Neither those reasons are easy to understand nor easy to control or comprehend. While this one, quite contrary, is easy to understand and easy to overcome. I think each one of us must understand it, must get benefit out of this talk, out of this idea. The commoners, the people who belong to the lower class, the people who belong to the lower middle or the middle class, are they the only one who are found making foolish, doing things, saying foolish things? No, not at all. You cannot exclude anyone. You cannot exclude anyone at all who is a foolishness proof person, who cannot do the foolish things, who cannot say the foolish things. You won't be able to find even a single person on this earth, on this planet. We, the commoners of Pakistan, the commoners living anywhere else in the world, like even the important people, the so called important people, we do the foolish things, we say the foolish things, we do the foolish things. Our frequency is more than that of the people who are holding the important positions. Our frequency of saying the foolish thing, doing the foolish thing, is more, is quite more than the people who are wise enough. Even the wise people are not totally immune. Even the so called wise people are not totally immune to this foolishness. They too say the foolish things, do the foolish things. Let's talk about how to overcome, how to control it. Getting engaged with the people in a toxic manner, in a negative manner, is something which we often do, which we often do. And each and every one of us is found doing this thing. It does not exclude, it does not exclude the so called important people, the so called intelligent people, the so called very educated people. It does not exclude anyone at all. All the people included, all the people included, we do say and we do act upon the foolish things, upon the negative things, upon the toxic things. So these negative and toxic things must be avoided, must be prevented. Even if somebody tries to engage us, even if somebody tries to engage us, even if somebody throws the negativity, the toxicity upon us, I think the right thing is not to respond the negativity, not to respond the toxicity to the person. Why? Because if at all we do, then this negativity, and then there will start a competition of the negativity, a competition of the toxicity, and we don't have to indulge in it at all. Why? Because it is mere foolishness, and it is a zero sum game, and a zero sum game is the one where nobody, it does, rather I shall say that it does not allow anybody to win at all, although obviously and apparently somebody would be having the upper hand, and somebody, it would seem, that has defeated the other person's ego and have raised one's ego. But what she does not understand, that the defeated person, the person who has been defeated in negativity, in the toxicity, in the ego, she will start working covertly, not overtly because you are stronger, but covertly because there she feels that she is safe and will not be apprehended, and will not be caught, and will not be punished at all. That is why the option of the overtly throwing toxicity and the negativity is quite available to that person. So I am of the view that it is not wise, it is not intelligent at all to engage somebody in a negative manner, in a toxic manner, because we are wasting our own precious time, we are wasting our own precious energies, and this time and energies could be used positively for the important things, for the very important things. And I wanted to say that it is not only the attitude of the commoners to engage somebody in a negative, in a toxic manner, rather the so-called important people, the so-called VIPs, the so-called very educated people, the so-called very wise people, even they people too get engaged negatively and toxicity with the toxicity and negativity is nothing but a venom. We must stop trading, and we must stop injecting the venom to the other people, so that we could exclude ourselves at least from the one very common reason, mean of foolishness. And I believe that if at all we do control it, our aggregate numbers in the life, marks in the life will improve considerably. What is the toxicity and the negativity? Every time we want to hurt other people, we do want to damage the respect or finance or anything else about the other person. This is the negatively getting engaged with somebody else, and this is we're engaging somebody in a toxic manner. I believe that this is injurious, quite an injurious thing to both of the people, and that is why it must be avoided. Once somebody has become negative and toxic towards anyone else, it does not mean that he or she is hurting the other person, the counterpart only. Rather, she does hurt oneself as well. And as far the reaction, the revenge of the other person is concerned, if at all they are much weaker than you, then they will be doing it in a covert manner instead of doing it overtly. So this means that they people cannot be stopped. So the right thing and the best thing is never ever get engaged with anyone else in a negative manner. Rather, even if somebody tries to, do not respond negatively. Rather, do not respond in a toxic manner. Rather, what we need to do is that we need to prove that since I am not a foolish person, since I am not the enemy of my own, since I am not going to get engaged with another person negatively, so that is why I have decided to stay away from this. I shall either I shall either act and interact in a positive manner, in a positive manner, or at least I shall stay quiet. I do have to participate in the win-win situation, and a win-win situation is the one where both of the parties do gain and do achieve, and rather nobody loses and nobody gets defeated. Rather, both of the parties, rather all of the participants becomes and stands victorious. Thank you.